Kyle Bratch, I'm Chaparral Motorsports on location here at the Glen Helen Raceway. Here in front of me are 11 of our most popular ramps, and what we're going to be doing today is showing these ramps in their closed form, measured in their open form, on the back of a stock two-wheel drive Ram 1500, and then again on the back of a lifted F250 that's got about 6 inches lift on it. We're going to see the different angles that these ramps sit at. We're going to look at the detailed features. Do they come with a tie-down strap or not? Do they have rubber ends to keep them from slipping or not? How wide is the usable space of the ramp? What's the load rating? These are all things that we're going to take a look at today in our detailed breakdown of each of these ramps. So take a look at the description. There's going to be a link to each of these ramps, and you can go see the video for each of these to see which one's going to work best for your situation. If you like what you saw here today, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and we'll be sure to get it answered for you. I'm Kyle Bratch, I'm Chaparral Motorsports. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.